she do?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Kaya.
Yeah, yeah.
Kaya.
Yeah.
Has this been on this whole time?
Mama. Mama.
What do you want?
Not banana.
What do you want? When you say mama, it means you want something. What do you want?
Water.
You want water? Where is it? Where is it? Where's the water?
You don't know? Kaya. Water? You want your bottle? Kaya, sit down. It's not funny. Sit down. It's not funny. No, it's not funny. Sit down. Sit down. Kaya, you want to be in trouble?
You want cookies? Oh, can't.
Cookie, sit down.
Sit down.
You said thank you? You said thank you?
No.
Oh, well then, no, you can't have it. You said thank you? You being nice?
She's the biggest con artist.
Are you being, you're not being nice? You're going to be in trouble. You're going to be in trouble. Kaya, behave. You better behave. You better behave. Okay, well, you know what? No cookie. No cookie. No to you. No to you. No to you. No cookie. You're not going to have any cookies.
She's just like
I'm not.
totally.
No, no cookie. You are not being nice.
Kaya, were you being nice? Were you being nice? No.
Sit down.
Are you going to be a good girl? No. Do you love Mommy? Do you love Mommy? Yeah.
Uh-oh, all gone. It's dirty. Yuck. It's dirty.
She really likes that, huh?
No water?
You want water? She's still hungry?
Maybe.
Rice?
Yum.
She's still hungry, John.
Yeah, that hurt your hand.
What did she do
Bang it on the table. Yeah, that doesn't feel good. What are you doing? Say bye-bye.
She's still hungry, Jennifer. I gotcha. I'm going to get you again. Get you. Her peripheral vision is pretty good for little kids. Put your arm up. Put your arm up. So I can get you good. I want to get you good. Bryce?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good girl.
Sit down. Thank you. Uh-oh. Kaya. Yum. Did she eat that whole granola bar that you were giving her earlier?
No.
She doesn't usually eat the whole thing. No?
She ate all but like
A little
the
piece?
last little piece.
Okay, she's like
And
that.
the last little piece ended up on the floor, so I couldn't.
Sit down.
Hey, sit down. You ready to go bye-bye?
No, you sit down.
Water?
No water?
Okay, she's a little nut. So you want to take her to the park?
You want to go to the park?
Yeah, you know what? I need to stop at a store at some point and
Okay.
pick up.
Some stuff. Kaya. Kaya.
Oh, no problem, kiddo.
You want to go to the park? You ready to go bye-bye? Okay. Give me your hand. Give Mommy your hand. Can Mommy help you up?
To park near where you live, or...
I don't care.